Hello everyone, my name is Akshay and today I'm sharing my presentation about WorkLens Chrome extension that I have built to stay focused at my work, be productive, and to help myself in my job search journey. So let's get started, guys. So I have built the Chrome extension, WorkLens Chrome extension. So the key problems that I'm trying to solve here are uh, when I'm working, I feel that I open too many browsers because I'm into the research work. So I have to open too many browsers and look out for the different insights and different data sources. And it is difficult to understand how productive I am at my work because I need to do the context switch each and every time I'm working on a project based on the different uh, instances, uh, different problems that I'm trying to solve. And this will lead me to have lesser focus, and that creates a kind of distraction due to context switch. So I was trying to find a simple way to track my focus, uh, keeping that as a KPI. So I have to track my focus journey, and I also wanted to help myself to keep a track on my job applications, my outreach numbers, and my learnings. And that is the reason why I have built this WorkLens Chrome extension. So before we get started, let's learn what is a Chrome extension, by the way. So, what is a Chrome extension? In simple terms, a Chrome extension is a small software application that adds additional functionality to the Google Chrome browser. Like we can say that the additional functionalities as the password manager, ad blockers, grammar check, screenshot tools, productivity tracker, and tabs manager. So WorkLens combines productivity and how I'm focusing at my work, focus management, browser organizations, and I have also created, uh, you know, uh, the screen time calculation when I spend more time on different sites and browsers. So how I built it. So this is a basic block diagram I created uh, at the beginning because I wanted to create a dashboard kind of facility for myself to track different KPIs. So here, my basic block diagram has a welcome button, home button, a focus button, and productivity button. Okay, so you will understand what I'm talking about once I show you the dashboard or Chrome extension that I have built. And this is a PRD that I created with the requirements of what should be there uh, in the basic idea. Like when we try to build a home, the first thing is we have to have a blueprint or the basic idea, uh, like how we want the home, how the basement should be, how the first floor, floor should be, and everything. In the same way, when we are building any product, the first thing we have to create is product requirement document. In that document, we should be mentioning all the requirements uh, based on our product requirement and our end goal. And then when we feed it to the anti-gravity, then it will create a basic idea, basic setup. And from there, we need to move on to the improvement part. So once the basement is done, once the blueprint is done, then we have to uh, instruct the anti-gravity on how we can build the uh, the further improvements on the product that we have. So if I have to show you the Chrome extension that I have built, yeah. So this is how it is. So this is customizable completely. As you can see, I have this is the dashboard that I have built. I have welcome button. Uh, this is the one, home, focus, and productivity buttons here. So this will take me to different pages. I will explain everything one by one. So here, this is my name. So if you install this extension, then you can enter your name. I'm entering my name again. Yeah, so this will display my name like this. And here you can see the current time, that is approximately 9:30 p.m. in India. And then uh, it will try to encourage me with daily some quotes. This will get refreshed every time I refresh this page. This says small daily improvements over time lead to stunning results. Okay, and here you can see different pages. So if I click on the home page, okay, you can see that I have opened two tabs as of now. So if I go to multiple tabs, and if I refresh it, see here you can see that currently there are four tabs open. So here it counts as four open window tabs. Okay, and here I can add my today's tasks, weekly tasks, monthly tasks. So if I complete today's task like two LinkedIn posts, 10 emails, 20 job applications, any, if I click on the completed task, then it will be unchecked. And here it will be directed from this total. Okay. And if there are any duplicate tabs, you can see. Okay, just a moment. You can see here, I have opened the LinkedIn two more times, and this one shows dupes. That means duplicates. If I click on this, then the duplicates tabs will disappear. Okay, so let's go to the next now. I mean next page. Here, I can switch to the active mode. Just a moment. Yeah. So if I click on, I can switch my working mode from active session to break timing. Here it has just refreshed again. So I can track my login time here, like active session, and then I can also calculate my break time. So that will give me my focus code. So out of the total time I have spent, if I'm spending 1 hour, and if I spent 15 minutes on break timing, then my total focus score will be 75%. Okay. So this is the graph that I shows. I have assigned the x-axis to count the login hours, that is login time, y-axis as a focus level. Here you can see 25%, 50, 75, and 100%. And now let's go to the productivity portal tracker. So here it actually counts the total hours that I have logged in. Okay. And the different browsers that I have spent time on. Here you can see I used ChatGPT for my work. and that is not considered as the productive hours here because I do it for research purpose. And see, if you can see here, LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, GitHub, and Notion. These are the things, I mean, website or sites that I use to apply for jobs, to build my projects, and to manage my work daily. Okay, so if I click on anything, like you can see it's Naukri, it's the 41 seconds. You can see the change now. As you can see, it's 44 seconds again. And if I spend more time, I will just try to spend more time here so that you can see the difference. Yeah, now it shows 1 minute. So here, this one shows the portals that are productive. If I want to anything like xyz.com as a productive, here it will be added. So this is just an example that I'm showing. So if I'm spending my productive time only on these website and portals, it will be counted as productive hours. And if I'm spending my time other than these productive websites, then it will be considered as non-productive hours. So this is the simple extension that I have built. I converted this to make a beautiful dashboard. So kindly share your feedback and what you feel about this project that I have built. And if you want to share any feedback, just share it with me. And if you want to know how I'm tracking the data that is generated out of this and other details, you can contact me at any time. I will be happy to help you always. Thank you so much and have a great day.